Unraveling Sports Slang. The meaning of away fans. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where language learning meets real-world usage. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of sports slang, particularly a phrase that's common, yet might cause a bit of confusion for English learners: away fans. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video will clarify what away fans means and how you can use it in a conversation. Let's kick off. The term away fans refers to the supporters or spectators of a sports team who travel to watch their team play in an opponent's stadium or arena. These fans are not in their home city or country. They are away from their team's usual home venue. This phrase is most commonly used in the context of team sports like football, soccer, basketball, or rugby. To fully grasp the concept of away fans, it's crucial to understand the distinction between home and away games in sports. A home game occurs when a team plays at its own stadium, one located in its home city, where the majority of the fans are its own supporters. Conversely, an away game happens when a team plays at an opponent's venue, where most fans typically support the home team. Away fans are known for their passionate support and loyalty. They often face long travels and are outnumbered, yet their presence is a testament to their dedication. They bring excitement and a competitive spirit to the game, contributing to a vibrant atmosphere. Chanting, wearing team colors, and displaying banners are common ways away fans show their support. Let's see how to use away fans in a sentence. The away fans at the match were loud and proud, despite being a small group. You can recognize the away fans by their team jerseys and the banners they carry. Notice how the phrase is used to denote a specific group of fans in the context of a sports event. While the enthusiasm of away fans is celebrated, it's also important to highlight the need for respect and sportsmanship. Regardless of whether one is an away fan or a home fan, respecting the opposing team and their supporters is paramount. Positive cheering without resorting to derogatory chants or behavior is what makes sports a uniting experience. And that's a wrap on away fans. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this sports-related phrase and how it reflects the dedication and community within the sports world. Remember, whether you're at home or away, respect is the name of the game. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language insights. Until next time, keep learning and keep cheering.